Now I will be showing you how to crop your video. So let's say that you want this interview video to be zoomed in a little more because it's a little bit panned out. So what you're going to want to do is go to this little tab right here, right next to the FX, and it's going to be a little square. And you want to click that, and it's going to pop up this window. Once you have this window popped up, you're going to see it a complete separate timeline. You don't really want to worry about this timeline other than make sure this is unlocked. So make sure this is not selected in blue. You gotta make sure that's unlocked, and make sure you are clicked over top of this little tab right here. You can move this around. This is your key point. Make sure you're selected on that, and then you are going to zoom this in just like so, wherever you would like it to be. And then Vegas is a little different, so if you want to zoom right, you go left. If you want to zoom left, you go right. It's a little bit of a mirrored thing there. So now that we are fully zoomed in to where we'd want to be, boom, okay. Then we can just simply click X. There's no need to save. And a little pointer, when you're in your project, you can do Control S to save, and you can just test video. You can just save it like so, and then while you're doing your project, I suggest you click Control Save every once in a while so you don't lose your media, or you can go up to File, Save, or File, Save As. So that is how you that is how you zoom in and out.